Hey there, everyone. Hey there, everyone. Hitesh here. I hope you are able to hear me out. I hope so. Uh, I hope you can hear me out. And if you are online, just say hi. Hi, Maz. Hi, Mahesh. Hi, Rushikesh More. Hi, Danish. Hi, Mohammed Nabil. I hope you are able to hear me, and this is pretty good. Hi. It's too early. No, it's 9 o'clock. It's like decent time. Hi, Anjana. How are you? Hi, Shubhanil. Hi, Shubhanil. How's it going on? Hi, Raj Chaudhary. Hi, Gaurav. Hi, videos. Hi, Mickey. Hi, Arvind, Chetan, Yash, Deepak, Raj. Too many highs. You guys are coming up, but looks like you guys are not pressing that like button. We definitely need some more likes on this video to go on further. And in case some of you are new at this channel, let me just introduce that we go live every single Saturday so that you can ask your questions, clear your doubt. It's a general programming kind of a techie TikTok chat up that we do. Stuff like what is good. We sometimes fight over like things like React or Flutter or maybe Windows or Mac and stuff like that. So this is what I hope you are smashed it. Thank you so much, Tech Nepal. Thank you so much for hitting that like button. Hey guys, please go ahead, hit that like button. And so let's get started. I hope you are able to hear me properly this time because I think this is much better. This is like just a piece of headphone, of course, by Apple. And this works pretty nice. This works pretty nice. So I hope you are able to hear me properly. Background looks nice. Thank you so much. This is like new stuff that we are going on. Just still on the half of the light. This one I forgot to just turn on. Thank you so much. Nice background. Love from Chennai. Love to Chennai as well. I always love Chennai. This is one of my favorite places. So, sir, about G-Soc. Actually, a couple of people are coming up to me to talk on G-Soc on this channel. They wanted to come and talk. Probably we'll have some collab or something on the G-Soc. They all of them are mentors on G-Soc. It's not a very tough competition. If you work it thoroughly, you can surely. Where is your breadboard? That's on the different room. Actually, I'm sitting just outside and chilling out on my iced tea. What is Python? It's kind of a Python and C integration. It's not very popular, not very much used. Surely nowadays it's getting a little bit popularity, but it's kind of a C integration with Python. I've used it in a very early phase of my college, and after that I haven't touched it. I stay yes always. And one more thing, shout out to Vivek Modi for this lovely gift that got reached at my office. So shout out to you, and thank you so much for giving me this book. This book is something which is going to be on my priority to read. Uh, this is like a little bit thin book, so I may be able to complete it over a night or something. You know, we are engineers, we are pretty fast readers, so I think I'm going to be able to complete that like within a few hours. But thank you so much for sending this at our office. The office address, I know you took it from the website, so thank you so much. Any use of shell programming? Yes, of course. Shell programming is important, and it plays quite a good role if your goal is to get hired as a system admin that works on Linux, especially Red Hat kind of a Linux. And in case you are anywhere like I just want to go into Linux and explore it much more, shell scripting is something that you should definitely try that out. When will go home, sir? I sometimes don't go home. I just sleep in the office. That's why the private room is there. Sometimes I don't. It's late. Sometimes like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock at night. I still work at that time, so there's no point in going home at that time. Instead, just get up early, hit the gym, and then just go back. So, kind of a stuff. What is tkinter in Python? Tkinter in Python is like a graphical library, a GUI kind of a stuff, which allows you to create like buttons, drag and droppers, all these stuff in Python. It's very easy. If you look up at my GitHub, my very first project was using tkinter quite a lot, and it was kind of a graphical UI for Wi-Fi's and all those stuff. Good old days. So yeah, it's pretty fun stuff, but I would highly recommend you try out Electron.js, which also helps you to build GUIs and graphical user interface for Mac and for Windows as well. So I highly recommend to try that out. Samprit Sarkar, sir, how are you? I'm absolutely good. Thank you so much for asking, Samprit. How are you? I hope you are doing good as well. Okay, is there a shortage of Python jobs in India? No, not at all. In fact, we are looking for one. I'm very soon going to be posting a job opportunity there. One is already being hired. He just showed up at our office and we are in the need. So, in fact, I'm going to be posting up an opportunity for Python and for machine learning very soon. The hiring video is going to come up. But right now, the team is not actually properly in office. We are roaming around quite a lot. One is in IIT Patna. One is also other at some place. Cannot tell you there. But yeah, definitely, I'll be posting that very soon. Will Adobe XD never work in Windows 8.1? Uh, no, I don't think so. They're going to be supporting that. There's a one sponsored question, so it's got priority. Hello, sir. How to start with robotics? Hi, Karthik. I am from electronics branch, so robotics is pretty good. And in fact, I would highly recommend you to check out the branch which is IoT, Internet of Things. I think yes, robotics is also amazing, but I think you can explore much more things in IoT, and you can get started with any programming language with that. You can even code, and like basic code language are much more friendlier with that, like C and all of that. You can burn the things there, and then it goes. But again, I think there are pretty other good channels who works on robotics and that can give you a proper guide onto that. I'm not that much expert in robotics, so sorry, I cannot give you a proper exact guide that learn this language and move on this and buy this circuit and then you'll be good. I have just worked a little bit on Raspberry Pi, and that too in college days, nothing else. So yeah. Coupon code for LCO. We don't use coupon codes for Learn Code Online simply because our courses are already discounted. And in case you are looking up for like 5.99, that's like my T-shirt is more expensive. Your T-shirt is more expensive than 5.99. So what's the point of having a coupon? Django or Laravel, which is best you recommend for big projects? What kind of big projects we are talking? Like both are capable of handling any amount of big can we use Hadoop in, sorry about that, but sponsored questions, can we use Hadoop in React Native? Yes, of course you can use Hadoop in React Native. React Native is or React, in case and you are getting confused, React and React Native, web and mobile, these are so lightweight that you can plug them with any kind of backend, any kind of technology that you really want to, in Django, in Node, in Ruby on Rails, in PHP. React can be plugged in anywhere. It's just a front end kind of a thing, and I think it's one of the best one. Is this beer? It's iced tea, looks like a beer, but consider it whatever. Like it's cool. How to earn money to buy a laptop? I am teenager. If you are a teenager, why don't you ask your parents? They can surely help you. Getting started to earn at this early phase can be tricky. There are lots of small jobs, but definitely first thing is ask your parents. Maybe they can help you. Okay, so let's pick up a couple of more questions. It's so hard. MERN stack based course. We are already having kind of a MERN stack. Like we do have, apart from Angular, we are having all the things. A lot of things are being under construction and plan. But sometimes some things take priority, some things not. So yeah, I'm trying my best to put up best courses, but video processing, recording, editing, uploading them, and then to have like best content and best edited content, it takes time. It takes time. Uh, is this beer in glass? No, it's iced tea. But even if it's beer, I'm totally cool with that. Like, enjoy your beer, whatever you like. I don't like to drink. I'm happy with my iced tea. Okay, so sorry for asking, Coupon, but just was there is an option to enter app? Just ask. Hey, Vishal, the option is there because sometimes what happened that some people come up at our office and just pay us like they are not having like payment options and much of that. So they pay us and we give them a coupon code that yes, you'll apply that and you can enroll into course. So that's why we have created this coupon system on the website. Apart from that, we don't use it much often, just for offline students and sometimes directly students when show up at our office. That's why we use it. Okay, there is no harm in asking, so you can always ask whatever you like. Okay. Oh, iced tea. Yeah, that's iced tea. Patel, Divyang Patel. Are you from Gujarat? Usually, people from Gujarat asking about beer. That doesn't sound really, really. Uh, okay, you know what I'm talking about. So, how to handle family and work? I would say keep your family onto a little bit priority because work can be done anytime. But if you manage, like time management is one of the best thing you can learn in your life. Programming is also important, but time management, without time management, you cannot do much of the things. So, yeah. Shouts of says, yes, I am from Gujarat. Okay, that's good. That's good. Uh, So, what do you mean by in? It's sometimes so hard to pick the question. It's just like gone like that. Uh, Please prioritize iOS topics. Yes, we will prioritize the iOS topic as well. It's time that we get back onto that. Hitesh, are you married? No, I'm not. Otherwise, how could I work till like 2 or 3 and then hit up the gym at 7? It's not at all possible when you're married. But yes, enjoying. Do you not get ill while working 3 at 3? No, usually not. I haven't taken any off in like last so many months. Like from I remember from December like 23rd or 24th of last year. Since then, I'm just regular. Every single day I post on YouTube, not YouTube, on Facebook actually, and most of the time I'm active on YouTube as well. I haven't missed even a single day on Facebook. I'm posting every single day and reminding you to just keep on working on your work and stuff. In case you want to be like productive anywhere, just follow me up on Facebook. And regardless whatever your resource for learning is, it can be from any other website or Learn Code Online or whatever the website or course you're following up, whatever book you're reading up, just follow me up on Facebook. I'll remind you every single day to work on, and that reminder actually works. If you don't believe it, it works. A lot of students were able to complete their courses, books, timely exams, and everything. So do follow me up on Facebook. So hey guys, you are not hitting that like button. I can see the like count is not going up. Kotlin or Java want to make only one app to earn. Um, only one app to earn. It depends. Actually, Kotlin or Java doesn't really matter because end user don't really care about it and what technology the app is being built up. It should just serve, and that's it. And you can definitely earn a lot with just one app because right now we are just having one big app, which is Learn Code Online, and that's serving us. We do have some other small apps, like 8 or 10 apps for clients as well that we are continuously maintaining. But it's not about Java or Kotlin. If you're just a beginner, want to get started, Java is a good point, and you can definitely. Your FBID, my FBID is actually already filled up. I cannot add more than 5,000 friends. You can join me on Facebook because I'm active there. I'm not active on my ID. My Facebook page is Hitesh Chaudhary page. It's so big, I know, but it's Hitesh Chaudhary page. You will find my photo there. It's easy to find. I don't have any like. How can I apply for internship at LCO? Yes, we are inviting people very soon. Probably by the end of this month, we will be inviting interns. And we definitely need a lot of intern this time because we are planning up something big and stuff is going on. We definitely need your help. So we will be calling up. Few of you will be like paid interns. We will be paying you if you are skilled and just wanted to get an experience. We'll be paying you. Some of you will not be getting paid. uh, so yeah, this works like that. Uh, do you have girlfriend? Private questions, please. You guys are funny sometimes. Uh, Sir, I haven't jumped into IT. Why not? Go ahead. Game developer in India. Yes, of course, there are a lot of companies in Hyderabad, especially, which are working totally on game development. So it's having a lot of scope. You don't have even idea that how many awesome games are designed in India. I know personally one guy who has built the car design in the Batman game. He is from Jaipur, and I know him. So that's why I'm saying you never know what kind of people are around you. Okay, there's a question by Mayank Jindal. He says, I'm just a beginner in programming. I want to be professional programmer. Don't know where to start, which language to learn. I know basics of C and C++. Hey Mayank, first prioritize in what field you really want to go, whether that's web, iOS, or maybe something related to backend like data science or something. Once you prioritize with that, then only it's good to have your answer, because just basics of C and C++, that means you know what is a function, what is a loop, and basics of that. No need to go into much of the depth, because depth automatically comes up when you hit the problems while creating project. My priority is always to create project. So let's just say you have decided that I want to go in Android app, then you can pick up Java and move on to Android. If you have picked up that I want to try out something new, I want to try out React Native, or I want to try out Flutter. So based on that, you can pick up your next language and what you really want to do. Just picking up any programming language is not going to work out, because it's just a tool. It's just a tool. Until unless you know, like, I want to hit a nail and you are picking up like a plucker, it's not going to work. You need to pick up a hammer. So similarly, like that, programming languages are just tool. You need to decide what really I want to do. Like, I want to build an iOS app. Definitely, I won't be choosing Java for that, because iOS and Java doesn't work simultaneously. So I have to choose Swift for that kind of thing. So obviously, make your goal first, and then you can decide. Have you worked on open source? Yes, multiple times. Multiple times I have worked on open source, a variety of projects. Okay, so Django tutorial and Learn Code Online. Yes, of course, we do have Django tutorials on Learn Code Online. You can check that out at courses.learncodeonline.in. Should I buy iPad? I use iPad quite a lot, along with Apple Pencil, to take variety of notes and stuff. Sometimes for teaching purposes as well. It's for me, it's completely like worth it. Depends on case to case. Completed JS course from LCO. Now what to do? You have completed an amazing course, because JavaScript is like heavy dominant area in Learn Code Online. Now you can switch on to React. You can switch on to Node. You can learn React Native to build mobile apps, for React for web apps, Firebase and all of that. So I recommend start with like Node.js. That would be like a good starting point. Or you can start with the React as well. Both are amazing. React for front end of the web, and for the backend, you can go for backend. Okay, there is a sponsorship from Harshit Mark Zuckerberg. Thank you so much. Thank you. Nice name there. Nice name. Okay, so let's pick up. There is a question all in caps. Hello, sir. What is future? Where's the future? What is the future market? Android with Java or Android with Kotlin? Or which one is the best, iOS or Android? There is no such thing as best or worst in app development. Let's just say my market is like in India, I would definitely be choosing Android. But if my market is, let's just say, in the United States, I would be picking up iOS. Like most of our sale of our courses in iOS doesn't come from India. It always comes from United States. And from all the sales that we get in our Learn Code Online app, in Android are mostly like 95% of them are coming up from India. In iOS and for rest of the world, it's very, very small number. But for the iOS, we are getting huge number from there. Uh, okay, what is best for freelancing? For freelancing, I think still PHP, WordPress, they are dominating the market. Yes, the competition is pretty high. You don't get paid that much in that compared to Android and stuff. Like recently, some of my friends do freelancing, and they said Android is doing pretty good. We are still getting like $500, $600 for a project in Android, while on the web we are just getting like $200 or something in web projects. So still PHP and WordPress is rocking in the freelance market. But it's job opportunities for these kinds of projects is similar. I still remember that one time we got a project. We were looking up for freelance project. We got a React Native project. We charged it for like $1,200. It was pretty good. Just 1 month for a project, and that's it. We didn't did much. Just $1,200 for one project there. It was in React and React Native. While on the other hand, my friends were looking up for the projects that were and PHP and WordPress. They all were like $100. So they had to do like 5 or 6 or at least 12 projects to get on the same level of us. Why jokes are going on PHP? Jokes goes on for everybody. It goes on for me, for you, for any other YouTuber. YouTube has taught me a lot, definitely. Why most colleges taught only Java and .NET? Because their curriculum was written like what 10 years ago or something, and at that time Java and .NET were alive, and that's it. They won't be having in their curriculums things like Swift because it's recently born. So yeah, college curriculum will take a lot of time to get upgrade or something. So it's just a waste of time. Can chess improve your logical skills? I don't know. I don't know. That's a very unique question. I'm not capable to answer that. Definitely, I know how to play chess a little bit. I'm not expert. I usually lose, but I know how to play that. Okay. Short story on your journey. I share a lot of my stories on my YouTube videos. Probably I'll start making those videos again because you guys love them, and I will be working on that. Hitesh, your first laptop, please says. My first laptop was Dell Studio. I don't remember the exact version or the number, but yeah, my first laptop was Dell Studio. I it got it was heating so much that I had to switch on. I have made a video on that. Bro, Google Play console payment problem. How to pay? Pay via credit card. That's the only option. So, hey guys, you are not hitting that like button. I can see that just only 200 or something likes. It's not fair. It's not fair. Definitely not fair. You guys need to hit before commenting down. Hit that like button. It needs to go up. Come on, you're not listening. Come on, guys. Yeah, now I can see that going up. Come on. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead subscribe that. A lot of you are like, my content watch time is going way up and the subscribers are not growing that much. Yes, I'm so happy that the content watch time is going so up, but subscribers are like, I'm not asking you to subscribe. uh, I'm not asking you to subscribe in many of the videos. I should start doing that again, but you can do that automatically. You are on YouTube, everybody asks to subscribe. That's why I'm not asking you in most of the videos now. So go ahead, hit that subscribe and hit that like button as well. Review, Pluralsight and Udemy. Both are good sites. Both offer you decent content, but you need to find out your taste, like what kind of instructor you like, what kind of delivery you like. I'm not saying one is bad or one is good. Both of them are amazing. You just need to find out who you can understand, who can deliver the proper knowledge, and you kind of get in tune with that. Okay, so data science versus Python. No, 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 no. That's the wrong answer. That's the wrong question, actually. Data science versus Python. No, it doesn't goes like that. Data science with Python. Data science with MySQL. They always go hand in hand. Okay, it's not like. Tell me something about your experience in Udemy. I've been working in with posting courses in Udemy from the very early days. The days when Udemy was almost like on a WordPress website. So. Uh, it's being very long. I don't remember exactly the year, but when the Gagan Biani was in the founding member of that, so I know it from a very very long time. And in fact, even before Udemy, I was having my own website for these kinds of content and courses. I tried to get like funding for that, not exactly funding, like donations for that, because everything was free on that website. I tried to build onto a free model, and I didn't got any sponsorship for that. It just went like that. So I thought I'll get my own sponsorship now by selling these courses, and then I'll make them affordable. So that's what I'm doing right now. But yes, I've been onto these variety of websites. Some of them are not even right now. There was a very good website in the Spanish as well. I was having a lot of courses there, of course in English, but it's no more there. Are you working for any other company now? No, I do have my like two, three, four companies, and I'm handling all of them, including one Learn Code Online. I do have other businesses as well, so I just manage all of them. Akhtar says, I'm your big fan. Thank you so much. There's one sponsorship from Amrendra Singh. Thank you so much, Amrendra Singh, for sponsoring. Your small contribution actually helps me to keep going on these live sessions, doing all these things. It's even if it's a small thing, it makes a big things. Your future plans, Hitesh? I'm not much sure about future. Somebody just asked that what will happen to us Android developers if, okay, there is a one question. Planning to make a religious app, will copyright problem? Hey Pradeep, I'm not sure about copyrights, but making a religious app, that is very uh, bold decision. Like, I'm not even asking what kind of religious app you are going to be making, because I don't want to ask it honestly. You want to go into that ground, the religious ground? Ask your parents first that you really want to do it. Consider it as an advice from somebody, some random guy on YouTube. Just consider that, but definitely check this out. If you want to make a religious app and you want to make tons of money on that, ask your parents first. I think you should be cautious. That's all I want to say. Okay, there's another sponsorship from PMM Ali. Thank you so much. There is a sponsorship from another guy, Tukral, Mr. Tukral. Thank you so much for sponsoring. I guess you are in Europe. Thank you so much. I hope the weather is good there. How to start iOS career? It's so simple. First and foremost, go ahead, buy a Mac Mini, MacBook. All just work fine. MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, all are perfectly good. And then just get started with any of the Swift or iOS Bootcamp or something like that. Alternative for real-time database Firebase. MLab is one, which is almost kind of a similar. You can go for AWS as well. Probably I can make a course on AWS. There's another question, videos on AWS. I probably can make a quick course on AWS and iOS, and I can talk you through that, how you can hook up Facebook and Google login with AWS and can store some data and kind of a CRUD application. I think that would be cool. DigitalOcean or Amazon AWS. We personally use AWS, but I recommend DigitalOcean as well because it's pretty good. And I do keep chatting with those guys quite often. They are on my email list. So DigitalOcean guys are pretty good. Okay, so how to add payment gateway. All of the payment gateways are having their documentation, their helper guides, and all of them. So whether you want to go like Razorpay, Instamojo, what others are, PayUmoney, PayPal, Stripe, whatever the payment gateway you want to go, there's easy peasy documentation in there. Red Hat versus AWS. AWS. Okay, so let's pick up a couple of more questions. We are already like 9:30. I have planned it actually 30 minutes of live only, but I think we can do a little bit more. If you can press the like button, we can go for like 10 minutes more. Let me see that if the likes are coming, so that we can go like 30 minutes more. If the like increases, we definitely can go. Okay, so looks like likes are not okay. There we go. Likes are going up. Thank you so much. So let's go 10 minutes more. Okay. Just one thing, Flutter or React Native. As of now, the React Native is pretty much high in popularity compared to Flutter. Flutter is in just beta. And when something is on beta, you don't want to put it in heavy base production. React Native already has proven it. Even on the Flutter website, they say that, yes, we are pretty much inspired by React. So it's a pretty good project, React Native. Pradeep Singh says, it will be a holy book app, similar apps on Play Store. I'm not sure. When it comes to religion, you want to be extra cautious about that. That's only I want to say, whether that's a holy book or any other kind of thing. I'm just saying that be cautious. Like if you make even a comma mistake in that holy book and you are not even responsible for that, you can get in a lot of trouble. So just an advice, like I consider you like friend or family. So that's why I'm saying you just be cautious with that. Are you religious? Yeah, I am. Is Ignis your company? Yes, that's mine. That's mine. Okay, so what next? Where is that question? It's just gone. Okay, so how to it just goes something like, sir, my parents don't want me to learn programming, but I love programming. What should I do? I'm in 10th, but I don't like to study PCBM. You're having PCBM? That's already too much of work, buddy. Hey, that's too much of the work. Like you're studying bio and maths at the same time. Too much pressure is already. But yeah, your parents, like I have already made a video, search it on YouTube on my channel that says parents versus computer time. I think you might want to watch that out. Your question's answer is there. Somebody says, your craze is superb in my city and college too, Akhtar Raza. Thank you so much. Your love is really something that I cannot pay back. All I can do is provide you more content and be more uh, active on YouTube and on these social media websites. I would definitely love to visit your college. If so many subscribers are there, so many fans are there, I would love to visit your college. So just drop me an email and try my best. Ask my team to arrange something at your college, at least a talk or something. I would love to be there. I would love to be there. And I won't be even charging anything. Okay, so any other field than programming? Yes, of course. IT world has to offer tons of things. It can be pen testing, it can be networking, it can be system admin, Linux, design, UI, UX. Uh, you never know what kind of things you might want to end up. IT is an amazing field, so you can go ahead and just work on with that. Okay, so 100 all the best. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Are nano degree programs at Udacity worth the hefty price? First and foremost, let me clear this to all of the people, 500 plus people are watching. Nano degree is not a degree. Degrees are approved by UGC. These are just certificates. It's like something I'm calling my certificate at Learn Code Online as tetra degree. That's it. I'm not saying their courses are good or bad. They are pretty good. You can definitely try that out. But I just want to make it clear. It's not a degree. Degree is provided by UGC. That's why the colleges are there. If you want to pursue a degree, go into college. Nano degrees are not actually degree, they are certificates. And it's something like I started calling LCA certificates as tetra degree. Being honest, I know a lot of people might bash down in the comment section for this particular section, but again, just trying to say that you got the point. Don't want to make a mess on that. Okay. So in which city do you live? I live in the beautiful city known as Pink City, Jaipur. It's amazing city, very tourist friendly. A lot of people from Europe and all the time just roam around here. And it's a beautiful city. Must visit. Must visit. It's amazing. Okay, so sir, my new job is awesome. Only it is possible because of you. Thank you so much. Hey, Samprit Sarkar, I hope your job is going pretty good. I hope that you haven't stopped learning because even if you are whatever job you are, you always should get upgrades. So focus on the job. Make sure that all of your teammates and everybody is happy with you, and don't forget to share my videos as well. So how to be confident? It doesn't is how to be confident. It's not being sold on a shelf of a Walmart. So it's something that you have to build it inside. It's not something that you can buy anywhere. It's something that you have to build. Okay. Uh, Coders never quit. There was a very mean comment by you, coders don't quit, on my YouTube channel. I know you're trying to ask a question here, but I remember that you had a very mean comment on my YouTube channel. So you can be just a little bit sensitive on that next time. And actually that comment was not on me, it was about the women community that you were trying to make. Please don't do that. That doesn't really make you a really intelligent person. Supporting other guys and helping other guys, that's what makes you a good person, not so just pointing out. uh, you make me a programming lover. Thank you so much. Looks like job done. Amit below says, please reply. Okay, reply to you. Uh, okay, Hitesh, do you watch cricket? Sometimes, very, very rarely. My cricket days were gone just with the retirement of Sachin. I grew up watching Sachin as like one of the best players in the world. And as soon as the Sachin got retired, like even I watched sometime Dhoni's batting and all this stuff. It didn't excited me as much as Sachin did. The moment Sachin retired, my cricket was over. That's it. Never watched a full game after that. Now that's it. It was gone like that. Ritik Jha, can you please take my name? Hi Ritik Jha, how are you? I hope you are doing good. Okay, so how to, like, it's gone. Please tell us about Electron JS, how it works. Love you. Probably, Imran, I can do a couple of videos on Electron, but the documentation is pretty simple. If you have watched my series on YouTube on JavaScript, I think you should be good to go in that. There is a good Niranjan says, I do love Sachi. High five. High five to you. That's so cute. Okay, sir, I have completed my BCA. That's a question from Vivek. Sir, I completed my BCA 3 years, but in 5 years, and I had not scored good in 12th. Will company employ me on my programming skill? Yes, of course, of course. Companies are in total requirement. There was a recent announcement by Google, in case you are aware of it, that they don't require degrees anymore. Your marks are not going to bother much. So just make sure your portfolio is strong. Uh, Hello, sir. How are you? Love from KIIT University, Shivam. Hey, Shivam. How are you going on? How's it going on? I hope everything is good. KIIT. I remember that. I was there. I was there at that university. It was pretty awesome. Okay, so uh, sometimes people just post mean comments just to get attention. It doesn't bother me anymore. It used to, but YouTube has taught me not to look at those and just keep on moving and do your stuff and make them more jealous. That's what I'm trying to do. So let's pick up a couple of more questions. Come on, read my comment. JP Akash. Okay. Sometimes people get frustrated. I'm trying my best. Do you play PUBG? No. Most of my friends do actually play. Sometimes I watch them playing. I don't play that. It's very addictive game. It can consume a lot of time. That's why. LCO is in made. LCO is made in WordPress? No, not at all. Won't even try that in WordPress. So invite in MIT University. I haven't got an invite from MIT. Is it in my email? Email is flooded a little bit, but I don't think so. I do have an invite from MIT University. So in case it's there, just ping me on Facebook too. Your email. How to stop playing PUBG Mobile? That's really tough. I can understand. Some of my friends are too much addict of that. Uh, so it's really hard. I cannot answer. Okay, so NSIT Delhi. Sure, sure, sure. You can just invite me at any college. I will try my best to be there in case the dates are not booked. Okay, you forgot to hit that like button, guys and girls. Buy less RAM mobile. I don't know. I don't know if I will be buying the less RAM mobile because the mine mobile is having too much RAM, 8 gigs. uh, Uh, Kushwa says IIT Bombay. Yes, I was there. In IIT Bombay a few days back in Python for Women conference. Ulfa, I guess you know her. She handles some chapter there for Python. I was there at IIT Bombay a few days back. If you want to invite me again, I would be happy there to come because I do have a couple of my friends in Bombay as well. I would love to visit it again and probably can have a lecture or something there. Okay, so can I skip C++ and jump Java? You can even skip C. You can start learning Java directly. There is no problem in that. The amount of effort that you have to give in learning object-oriented things in C++, same amount of effort you have to give in Java as well. So you can pick up any language from any resource. Thanks for the nano degree explanation. Thank you. Thank you so much. I hope they should made it very, very clear that degrees are only provided by UGC. Uh, Okay, so hey, what's up, sir? I am here. Hey, Yash Ranjan Shukla, you're a pretty active member there on my page as well. I remember your name. Love your teaching. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Uh, Hindi mein bolo, please, sir. I'll keep this channel on in just one language. I've already explained that in the past as well. As long as you are able to understand me, I'm able to understand your question. You typed YouTube also in English. So until unless everything becomes totally in Hindi, I'll be keeping things in English as of now. We don't know about the future. It may change, but as of now, I'm sticking to just one language. How apps on Play Store gets editor choice. It includes a variety of variables. First and foremost, uh, the interface of the app, the functionality of the app, the popularity of the app, the number of downloads of the app, and I believe one important role is being played by how much you are investing money in making your app popular. That is also an important thing. How much money you are paying. So that's these are the all key variables. Okay, sir. Uh, Collab with Telesco Learning. Naveen is my friend as well. We talk on WhatsApp as well. Probably we'll plan out some collab or something very soon. I'm in touch with Naveen from Telesco. We are connected on WhatsApp. Definitely, we are planning something. Maybe we can do that very soon. In fact, he asked me to for collab and these things. Uh, but I wanted to make it like a little bit more. Instead of just having an interview session, I wanted it to be more. That's why I'm thinking, until unless I think something that is more productive and good, that's why I'm waiting. But yeah, definitely we are planning. He's my first YouTube friend, Naveen from Taliska. He's my very first friend. Okay, so please provide certificate and free enrollment courses for Learn Code Online. It helps. But if there is no exam and there's no thing that you have learned, I'm not pretty sure that you have learned in there. How can there be certificate? I can surely post an exam in very, very minimal price, like 100, 200 rupees or something, and that would be like little bit tough exam. And on after that, you can just get a certificate. We can surely do that. Okay, so hello, sir. I want to know about the other important qualities companies see in students who are sitting in the interview except programming. I think that's an interesting and important question. The first thing is confidence, and I can definitely make a video. Which country you will visit next? I can definitely make a video on the interview questions and something. Which country you will visit next? I do have one country in my plan. I tried uh, Bahara Shimla Hills, please come. I'll try. You just send me an invitation and I'll be there. So there is one country in my list which I wanted to go from a very, very long time. Uh, but it's not happening actually. The visa is not at all an issue much in that country. I can surely get that anytime. But I don't know why it's not happening, why I'm not able to go in that country. It's one of the things, one of the dream destination I want to go. Uh, it's just to give you a hint, it's very nearby China. It's very nearby China. So I'll try to go there this year. Uh, for iOS dev, is MacBook Air 2017 okay? It's not okay. It's awesome. It's more than enough. iOS won't be a problem in any kind of Mac machine. They just works fine. Uh, okay, so Shanghai. I have been already to Shanghai. I have visited already entire China, almost entire China. Not like entirely from that, but major cities I've already visited that. My English is not good, but I understand your lesson. That's the whole point. Whether it's good or not, if you are able to understand what I'm trying to say, that's it. That's it. Uh, 30 days of Flutter. No, not 30 days. Flutter cannot be done in 30 days. It takes time because I'm not a kind of person who just is going to post a video for the sake of posting videos. I just want my content to be good, rich, meaningful. Editing quality should be amazing. It should look awesome. The audio should be good as well. So yeah, come to NIT Delhi. Delhi is very nearby. I can just take a flight any day and can come. So I live in Jaipur. In case you don't know, some of you are asking. So yeah, I think we have been talking for almost like 45 minutes. Japan, Mount Fuji. Ah, that's the location. That's the location. uh, yeah. So thank you so much for joining up. And I think we should just be happy. Make sure you hit that like button. I can see that some of them are hitting your like button. Hey, guys and girls, if you haven't hit that like button yet, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead, hit that like button, and let's just roll out this. And definitely don't forget to watch the video on Monday. There is going to be something which is going to make every single person on YouTube happy. The Monday's video is going to be super, super amazing. I'm pretty sure you all are going to love the video on Monday. Yes, that's an excitement that you have to wait till Monday. But yes, this is going to be super amazing, super awesome. All the people who are on Windows, on Mac, on Linux will be able to follow that up, and you will become super, super happy on Monday. We're about to start something awesome, which is going to be totally free. Consider it as sponsored by Learn Code Online. Uh, that's all I can share. But yes, Monday is gonna be amazing. So make sure that you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and wait for Monday. It's gonna be pretty amazing. I'm already preparing on that. Today I'll be working like 3 or 4 o'clock for that only. So that's it. Catch you up later on. Bye bye. Enjoy. Keep coding no matter what the resources, no matter what the people say. Just keep on working for your dream and make your life better. That's it. Signing off. Today, your programming friend Hitesh. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Bye bye.